Hey bugs, it's Deborah again from BodyGarbage. Hope all is well with everybody and nobody got stuck in the snow or had any car accidents yesterday. At any rate, we are doing a couple of unboxing a couple of boxes. Whatever. I'm showing you some of the things that I purchased from Wholesale Supplies Plus and Nurture Soap. I am actually waiting on a few more boxes to come in. These are some things that I've already had and that I've used, some of them, but I still wanted to show you, what I got. So obviously I have this bunch of green stuff that I actually put into my packaging if I get any large orders. I wish I would have just had this box on the table, but I don't. So, little invitation to the Handmade magazine conference or Handmade conference. I have some handy dandy sodium hydroxide flakes, and usually I get my lye from Essential Depot, but I was kind of in a crunch and I needed my stuff now, and Wholesale Supplies Plus, sorry, they're really good with how fast they do their shipping, and plus they're in Ohio, so it doesn't really take that long for their products to get to me. I mean, Essential Depot, they're in Florida, so it really doesn't take too long for them to get to me either, but I usually get their products faster. So I have a few bottles of these, and I'm going to get more. And then I also, even though I use, for my larger soaps, like the ones with the tops, I use silo bags. And I'll demonstrate one day how you can use that for these little guys. And these are just shrink bands. And you can actually, if you didn't know, you can use the silo bags to shrink wrap soap or anything else. But I usually use mine for soap and like cupcakes. Bath bomb cupcakes are what I'm going to make later on today, soap cupcakes. And then I have some for my lip balms. So that's one box. Oh, and I have some fragrances that I also purchased with this order, but we're going to save that for last. So I'm just going to throw all this stuff back in this box. We're going to check the next box to see what goodies we have. And can anybody tell me if Wholesale Supplies Plus gives out free gifts? Because I don't think that I've ever gotten a free gift from them when I make my purchases. Let me know about that, Wholesale Supplies Plus. I'd like to get a Crafter's Choice sample time or two, okay? Besides, the next package that I'll be getting is like my third box within like a couple of weeks. I need a free gift. Just saying. But anyway, we have some clays here, bentonite. I put that in all of my soaps. Kaolin, I put in all of my soaps. That was a refill because this one is almost done. That's another kaolin clay. I made a couple of soaps that I have to upload the video for and show you guys, and I'm in the process actually of doing that now, so don't fret, my pets. You will see the making of some soaps. One is a rebatch. I actually made a batch of soap and it went, so I had to remake it, so I actually video recorded the remake of that soap and or rebatch, and then I made a men's soap. So fellas, I'm coming for you. It's going to be, I already have one, but this is like a different type of series of soap. So once I post that video, it'll be labeled as the Hunk bar soap or something like that, but it'll be, the Hunk will be in there somewhere. I'm doing a series of soaps, obviously called the Hunk for fellas. But anyway, we have this big old bucket here. That's killing my back, of coconut oil. I need lots of that. More scents, but I'm going to put that to the side so we can do everything all at once. And then we have a little bit of stearic acid. I still have some in my huge 5-pound bag that I purchased. So I just needed like a little bit more. I'm not going to be putting much of this in any more of my soaps, just a few of them. And then if I make any lotions or anything, I'll probably thicken it up with some of this. Now, on to the fragrances. So from the first box, we have kiwi strawberry, French vanilla fragrance, which I actually purchased one from Hobby Lobby, and it actually smells really, really nice. I think I might like that better than this one. But this is more for a little bit less money, because if you pan it out, if I'm only buying a half an ounce for like $4, you know, and I think this was actually on sale. I don't remember. I'll have to check, but it wasn't that much. And then we have Rainforest Fragrance Oil, and this is going to be my next men's soap. And I'll discuss the name of that when I do the making of that soap. And they're amazing. Wholesale Supplies Plus, when they ship their fragrances, everything is taped and separated. And this, ooh, hot pepper. I'm a hot pepper, baby. I'm a hot pepper. Yeah, I watch too many cartoons, but this is hot pepper. Like I said, it's a fragrance, and it actually smells like peppers. Margarita lime. I might make a cupcake out of that. A cupcake soap, I'm not too sure. And then we have fresh ginger lime. It's a theory behind my madness. Don't judge me. But, and you can actually smell these through the tape. Especially this one is absolutely strong. But I'm going to be doing something with the hot chili pepper, or the hell is this? Hot pepper. For Cinco de Mayo, I believe. So we'll see how that works out. And I'll let you know. It might be a cold process soap. And I think, yeah, that was it. Because once again, no free gifts. What is up with that, Wholesale Supplies Plus? Put these away. I'm keeping this out, so when I make my soap, it's readily available for me. Put all my clays back and my coconut oil. And this is so not how this box was packed, but you'll have that. And last but not least, my colorants I'm sorry, you probably got all of that from the earpiece, but my colorants from Nurture Soap. I love their colorants. I haven't really used anybody else's, for the exception of Brambleberry. I've used their natural colorants, and they sent me a Queen mica, I believe. A Queen purple mica is really gorgeous. But that was something happened or another, and I had to talk to them or whatever the case may be. But at any rate, they sent it to me. So we have a sample of Maya Gold mica. It's pretty shimmery. Save that for last. What else is in here? I know I put it in here because I kept staring at them. Here we go. A sample of Kambu Green mica. And this is absolutely gorgeous. I can't wait to use that. And then we have some glitters. Now, for all of you that know me personally, you know I cannot stand glitter. Period. I didn't know what the point of it was in soaps. And then some of my soaping friends, and even the people that I watch on YouTube, they've been using glitters and blah, blah, blah. And it just looks so pretty on top of soap. So I just decided to swallow my pride and say, to hell with my own feelings, let's try this and see what works. So we have some Blush Rush, and that's kind of like a cool pinkish color, red, whatever. Then we have Bali Bliss, and this is my favorite, is blue. Twinkling Lights, which I think is maybe like an iridescent type of glitter. It's white, but I don't think that's going to show up too much in soap. And then we have the silver bio glitter. Then moving on, I got some cool tips. So this large one is the Ateco 888. And then we have a smaller one, if I can get it from out of the larger one. This one is the Ateco 48. So we're going to do some cool things with these. And I'm waiting on, I actually have a pastry bag, but I'm waiting for one that I purchased recently from Wish. It's a silicone bag, and I'm going to be using that. And then we have some pearl black mica. I'm kind of like over using all of my activated charcoal, even though like I buy the large containers from Wholesale Supplies Plus. I still don't want to use it for every single soap, and I might just combine them to see what colors I get. But I needed to re-up on my green, so that's why the combo green, and we'll see how that looks, and then I might buy more. And then we have some green vibrants. Finally, some really red, and I'm definitely using this today. And then we have some Sahara Gold mica, and this is pretty. I thought it replicated gold more than any of the other ones that I've seen. Kind of have like some orange and yellow hues to them, more than this one does. So I decided to go for that one. And then, hint, hint, Wholesale Supplies Plus. And Nurture Soap, this is my first one from you, and I've been shopping with you guys for a while. So what's up with that too? But anyway, this is a 4-way measuring spoon. So this big one is tablespoon, teaspoon, half a teaspoon, and a quarter teaspoon. So I can scoop either way if I like, which is pretty cool. I wish I would have got a pink one. That's my favorite color, but beggars can't be choosers. I'm just happy that they finally sent me a free gift. But at any rate, that is my unboxing story for today. And once I get my other products, I will be making another one. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and join the bug party. And I will see you guys soon. For the making of, what am I doing today? I have my recipe printed out here. Some soap dough. It is going to be hot process. Don't think because you make hot process soap that you cannot make soap dough. I just don't believe in that. But anyway, I'm going to be making soap dough, and then I'm going to try to squeeze in some cupcakes, some soapy cupcakes. So we'll see how that goes. I'll probably be making them simultaneously, and I might do the soap dough as a countertop hot process, and then I'll just cook the cupcakes. Hey, Kobe, you want to say hi to the people? You want to say hi? I just dropped my bag. Come here. Let's say hi. Say hello, everybody. I'm Kobe, and I need a haircut, but I'm still cute. Cute. All right, goodbye, everybody. See you in a bit.